Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sound, and then together we'll blend the word. V, e, m. Them, ch, e, k. Check, wh, I, ch. Which, sh, I, p. Ship, sh, a, k. Shack, th, I, k. Thick, th, I, n. Thin. Now this is a challenge word. It has 4 sounds. Listen carefully. Ch, a, m, p. Chomp. Ch, a, n, s. Chance. Good job. All right, let's get ready to punch out those ending sounds. Here we go. The first word is mesh. Mesh. Remember, you're punching with your right arm. You're sliding it from the left to the right and then punching out that ending sound. The word is much. Much. The word is munch. Munch. The word is rash. Rash. The word is hush. Hush. The word is bath. Bath. The word is peach. Peach. The word is smash. Smash. Good. All right. Sorry, I was moving my eye. All right, we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then you're going to chop it into your individual phonemes there. These are all three sound words, looks like. The first word is then. N. Chess. Ch, s. Check. Ch, k. Shop. Sh, p. Chat. Ch, at. This. Is. When. N. Good. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to do phoneme substitution. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, then we'll change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is dip. Change d to ch. Chip. The word is top. Change t to sh. Shop. The word is men. Change m to v. Then. Good. The word is hum. Change h to f. Thumb. The word is pitch. Change p to w. Which. Good work. Almost done. Let's add some phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and we'll add the beginning sound or the onset to make a new word. The word is ick. Add ch to the beginning. Chick. The word is in. Add f to the beginning. Thin. The word is L. Add sh to the beginning. Shell. The word is amp. Add ch to the beginning. champ. The word is add th to the beginning. Thumb. Good. All right, last exercise, deleting phonemes. We're going to remove the beginning part of our word. The word is whiz. Without wh, the word is. The word is sham. Without sh, the word is am. The word is chill. Without ch, the word is ill. The word is thug. Without th, the word is ugh. The word is chant. Without ch, the word is ant. Good work.